My best friend is incredibly kind-hearted and always puts others' needs before her own. She has a radiant smile that can brighten up anyone's day. One of her most admirable qualities is her unwavering loyalty. She is an excellent listener and offers sage advice whenever I need it. Her sense of humor is infectious, and we share countless laughs together. She is fiercely independent and never backs down from a challenge. Despite her busy schedule, she always makes time for our friendship. We've been through thick and thin together, and she's always been my rock. Her creativity knows no bounds, and she often surprises me with her innovative ideas. She has a unique sense of style that reflects her vibrant personality. She's not afraid to speak her mind and stands up for what she believes in. We have countless inside jokes that only we understand, making our bond even stronger. She's the first person I turn to when I need a shoulder to lean on. Her passion for life is contagious, and she inspires me to chase my dreams. She has a heart of gold and is always willing to lend a helping hand to those in need. We share a deep mutual respect for each other's individuality and differences. She's my confidant, and I trust her with my deepest secrets. She's not just a friend, she's family to me, and I cherish her presence in my life. We've grown together and supported each other through all of life's ups and downs. I'm endlessly grateful to have her as my best friend, and I know our bond will last a lifetime.